Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. It's me Chaudhary and you are watching Harimchi TV. Friends, as you know that we have started a project of free course of MS Excel. I have already uploaded 6 videos about free MS Excel learning. I always tried to make it easy. I always tried to cover only one topic in a video so that new learners, new students may not be overburdened with knowledge. Video must not be complicated. Learning must not be complicated. It must be easy and understandable. So, we will try to teach and educate people, new students, about MS Excel from very start till the end, from basic level to the advanced level. At the end of this course, everybody will feel that he has become an expert of MS Excel. So please keep learning, keep watching my channel. The people who are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel, press bell icon button so that all new videos may approach to you easily and you can learn more and more. So keep learning, keep watching, move to the new topic. Today's topic is how we can save our working in MS Excel. If we will work in MS Excel, it must be saved. So we will enter some data here. You can see we are making changes in this spreadsheet. Now our today's work is finished. We will do some work in this sheet tomorrow. So we will save this sheet as it is so that it must not be lost, and we will start work in this sheet from here, not from beginning. So to save sheet, we will move to the file option, and here we can see save as option. We will press this button. You will see that file name. We will make any change here. We can write any name here of file to save. So I can write here lesson number 7. So below he is asking save as type. So we will save as Excel workbook. There are many options, but we will select only Excel workbook as we are working in Excel. So now here he is asking where do you want to save this file. You can save on desktop, you can save in downloads, you can save any of the folder, you can save here in this PC, you can make your own folder and make this file on in that folder. Like that you can save here. So I want to save this my file on desktop. So I will press save and file will be saved on desktop. You can see I will close this file from here and this file has been saved here. Now we will see that either data has been saved or not. So you can see that our data has been saved. Now you can use the button of F12 as well as a shortcut key to save your file. When you will press F12, same dialog box will be open asking you file name and save as type and location where do you want to save. So you can see to use two options. Number 1, from file you can use save as, and number 2, you can use F12 from keyboard, and same action will be repeated here. So another option, now if you will make any change any other day here, like that you have written some data here. Now when you are going to close this file from here, this will ask you Do you want to save the changes you made to the lesson number? He is asking that if you have make any changes, do you want to save them? Sure. If you don't want to save these changes, you will click here, don't save, and file has been closed. Now we will see that our additional data added has not been saved. Another option, if you will press the button save, now changes which you have made in spreadsheet has been saved in your spreadsheet. Now students, today we have learned that how can we save our working in spreadsheet. How can we make changes in our spreadsheet? We can use two methods. We can use two methods to save file here. We can use this method as already, save as and save, and second is the shortcut key which we can use F12. We can use as well as if we make any change here. Then he is asking, do you want to save? We can use shortcut key Control S as well as to save our data. You can see here that our changes have been saved in this spreadsheet. So today we discussed how can we save our working in spreadsheet. If you like this video, please share, comment and like. I will be here with a new video. So till then, take care of you. Allah Hafiz.